How's it, guys and girls? Me and Ferry are back here on the dairy farm today. We're going to try to shoot some doves and maybe pigeons and some other stuff if we get them as well. I'm going to use the H&N Slug HP, the 25 grain slugs today, and see how they perform out of the Daystate Red Safari. And Ferry is going to use these FX Wildcats, and he's going to shoot the 18 grain JSP. So yeah, let's get to it, and I hope you guys enjoy it.
With the doves not being very active this time of the morning, we are going to do it a bit different and start from around the feedlot, hoping to find some activity around the area where the teff bales are being placed. Then we are going to shoot between the feedlots, not putting any cows at harm, and work our way around back to the vehicles, shooting the doves off the high voltage cables where we had most success.
That was on about 40 meters, so rock pigeon. Hit him right from the back in this point. Alright, this is the rock pigeon I just shot at 40 meters. I laid flat on my tummy there on the ground, and I could only see this part of his head sticking out. So I took a shot right from the back here. I got him right there in the neck. That was on about 40 meters. So yeah, great stuff.
Brilliant stuff. The first one that I shot right here on one of the cribs was at 36 meters, so basically that's just dead on. And I got one through right here at 73 meters, and I see there's another two sitting there, so I'm gonna try my luck quickly and see if I can't get another one. But it seems to me these slugs really hits very hard. One thing that I need to get used to is the fact that I don't need to hold that much for the wind, and it's still something very new for me, so we all have to learn with something new sometimes. This one is at 76, that's almost 2 mil-dogs, so let's give it a shot. Just nicked it. Okay, this one is the one that I shot at 36 meters, and it sat right here, and that slug hit him so hard it actually just popped over. And I'm not going to show this damage because of YouTube will give me definitely a strike for this, but the damage on this dove's head is so severe. I don't want to show it on camera. So yeah, it was a headshot. Hopefully the slow motion footage will explain what happened here, because like I said, I don't want to show this on camera. .71 is about a little bit more than 1.5. Let's make it 1 1/4, 3/4 of holdover. So if you just want to see if I can shoot through these electric fence wires here. I don't want to clip it. There's a nice Egyptian goose standing there. It wasn't a brilliant shot. The reason for that is there's so many wires in between. The dead on was right at one wire, so I had to aim a little bit lower. Beauty of a shot.
That was a dove at close range, I guess about 20 meters, and yeah, I think it just exploded there with that 18 grain JSB pellet.
Okay, so here we have it, the first Egyptian goose with the Daystate Wetland Safari. I shot it with the 25 grain H&N Slug HPs. They are traveling at around 931 feet per second. So this is the best that I got it out of the gun, or the best performance out of the gun accuracy wise. So I shot it at around, if I can remember correctly, 73 meters or somewhere around there. It wasn't a perfect shot. It is a little bit bloody, maybe a little bit too low. Yeah, it was a bit low, but it was a long shot. It was definitely a long shot. So we actually gave it a little bit time to expire. It wasn't necessary to come in for a follow-up shot, but at the end of the day, a massive big reward for me with the Daystate Wetland Safari, to shoot a big bird like this. This is actually the biggest bird that I shot so far with the Wetland Safari. Just a blast. I have one here at 61 meters. That's going to be slightly more than one Moldor rollover. Oh, what a beautiful shot. Really thumping shot. These slugs, they just make a massive sound when it makes impact on the birds that you are shooting. So I'm quickly going to go pick that one up as well. Okay, I quickly ran to go fetch the one that I just shot at 61 meters. Now, as you guys saw, it sat with its back towards me, and this is the entry wound right there, and clear exit wound, so no meat wasted. And we're going to show you guys in a bit why we are trying to save the breast meat. This one is at 70 meters.
I've got a dove here in the tree at about I'd say about 35 meters. At the moment I'm standing. I'll see if I can take a freehand shot. Oh, there's it. I got it.
It is at around 1 3/4 of a holdover. So let's do this. Got it. I think it's a headshot. I might be wrong, but it looked like that. So I'll quickly go fetch it. It seems like Fatty is busy at the back as well, eating some doves as well. So we're quickly gonna go fish them. $50 meters, half a mil, exactly half a mil. Wind has also picked up a little bit now, so luckily with the slugs I don't need to hold that much for the wind. The wind is actually blowing more or less towards it, so half a mil, here we go, 50 meters. Dead, dead, more than dead. Really gonna go fish that one as well. Beautiful. How far was that, more or less?
That was about 40 meters.
Not too bad, not too bad. And the wind also started to pick up now. So yeah, we're actually preparing some lunch now. And Fatty is actually sitting here underneath a tree in the shade, because as you guys can see, it is very sunny today compared to the other day. So on the one side we are shooting, and on the other side we are cooking. So more fresh than this you cannot get. So we'll definitely see how this is going to be. As you guys can see, nothing goes to waste. Everything is being eaten by us or by somebody, so this is what it's all about. Here we go, another one at 30 meters. Oh, sorry, bumped the camera there. That was at 30 meters and nice clean kill. Everything is coming along quite well. Sometimes I wish we could capture the smell of the food as well. This is just really nice. The breast meat of the doves and one rock pigeon that's inside there. What we did notice is that I'm just going to place the camera down. go. What we did notice is that most of the doves that we shoot today are very young, so the meat is very tender, and yeah, I think it's going to be some of the best because they are very fresh. Some of them are not even shot about 3 minutes ago, so directly into the pan, and really nice. This is actually the first time we do it out here, so looking forward to it. Looking really much forward to it. One. Nice shot at 57 meters.
Got a dove there. I think it's about 60 meters, so it's about 1.5 mil dots of holdover. I'm gonna hold a little bit to the right for the wind. Let's see if I can get it. Oh, that's it. That's a nice shot. That was in about 70 meters. That was a nice shot. Hey.
Nice Prego sauce on or with this the breast of the doves, and it's almost like chicken livers, but very much more tasty. Smell.
Well, this is going to be a wrap for this episode. In the next episode we are going to carry on where we stopped and see some nice double kills and some awesome shots from Fatty. So see you guys in the next one. Cheers.